Rolls-Royce strengthens French-German C-130J fleet. Engine support extends until 2030. PARIS-Rolls-Royce is strengthening its support for the joint French and German airlift capability by signing an agreement with Sabena Technics for engine maintenance for the C-130J Super Hercules fleet until December 2030. The agreement includes the implementation of the MissionCare program, Rolls-Royce's propulsion support service designed to maintain the readiness and availability of aircraft engines. This program forms part of an integrated maintenance system for the C-130J fleet operated by both countries. This collaboration follows a contract awarded in January 2026 by the French Aviation Maintenance Directorate, DMA, to Sabena Technics. The company was appointed prime contractor for the Corollas program to support operational readiness and fleet maintenance for 10 years. Through this new contract, Rolls-Royce will act as a strategic partner in the propulsion sector. The British company will provide comprehensive, flight-hour-based maintenance services for the AE2100D3 turboprop engines used by the Franco-German C-130J fleet. The fleet participating in this program consists of 5 C-130J Super Hercules and 5 KC-130J tankers. These aircraft are operated by the Binational Air Transport Squadron, BATS, based at Évreux-Fauville Air Base 105, France. BATS is a joint Franco-German unit that plays a vital role in operating and supporting the air transport capabilities of both countries. The C-130J fleet enables France and Germany to carry out a wide range of air transport missions and support military operational needs. For both countries, aircraft readiness is crucial, as their air transport fleets must be capable of being deployed when needed. Therefore, a rapid and integrated engine maintenance system is a crucial part of overall operational readiness. Sabena Technics CEO Hervé Grandjean stated that Rolls-Royce's involvement is part of the effort to build an integrated support network for the joint French-German C-130J fleet. With the award of the Corollas contract, our vision is to build an integrated support network capable of ensuring the availability of the French-German fleet, said Grandjean. He stated that Rolls-Royce's presence in the Corollas ecosystem will strengthen Sabena Technics' ability to maintain fleet readiness. The integration between the engine manufacturer and the field maintenance team is considered to allow for more rapid resolution of technical issues. Grandjean believes that having experts from the engine manufacturer directly in the operational environment will provide advantages in aircraft readiness management.